as we have seen down the lane, as Banauni candidate was declared, Mr. Tony Dias, it is not because the press is given because I am upset that I have not got a ticket or something. Here the question lies is Mr. PC, that is Chidambaram ji, had said that the bloc will decide the candidates. If I am not mistaken, on 29th of November, we had a bloc meeting in our Banauni constituency. The observers had come in our bloc and there were 5 names which were recommended by the bloc. Those 5 names, after that, on 29th, the same day, the observers came to the South Goa District Committee. The committee, I want to tell first of all, South Goa District Committee this time is being kept totally out for the election. The reason I'll tell you is because the day they had come to ask about these 5 names, we were not allowed to even say yes or no. None of the members were allowed to speak whether this all 4 names or 5 names should go.